In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use basic landmark cost guides to progress quickly and complete Board 4 efficiently. The first thing you want to do is open Chrome and look up basic landmark cost guides. This gives you a clear reference for how much each upgrade is likely to cost, so you can plan ahead instead of spending blindly. Having a cost guide open while you play makes a big difference because it helps you estimate how much cash you should save before starting a major upgrade. It also reduces hesitation and keeps your progress more consistent. If you can, keep the guide easy to access so you can quickly check it without interrupting your flow too much. Once you have that ready, the main strategy is to focus all of your cash on upgrading one landmark at a time. This is important because spreading your money across multiple landmarks usually slows you down. When you divide your cash too much, you often end up with several partially upgraded landmarks and no real momentum. By concentrating everything on a single landmark, you complete it faster, move on more efficiently, and make your board progression feel much smoother. This approach also makes it easier to track your spending since you always know what your current priority is. As you work through the board, stay disciplined with this method, pick the landmark you want to finish, commit your cash to it, and avoid jumping around unless your normal path requires it. The key idea here is efficiency. You are trying to reduce wasted spending and build forward progress in a predictable way. Even small improvements in spending discipline can save time over the course of several upgrades. From there, your goal is to complete Board 4 rapidly by following standard upgrade paths. This means sticking to the usual progression route instead of experimenting with random upgrade orders. Standard paths are useful because they are typically the most practical and reliable way to move through the board without getting stuck or overspending. Since you already checked the cost guides and committed your cash to one landmark at a time, following a familiar path becomes much easier. As you reach the later upgrades on Board 4, keep checking your pace and staying consistent. Fast progression usually comes from simple habits done well, checking costs, committing your cash wisely, and following a proven upgrade sequence. If you stay organized and avoid unnecessary detours, you can move through the board much more quickly and with less frustration. That's the method. Open Chrome, use basic landmark cost guides, focus your cash on one landmark at a time, and follow standard upgrade paths